Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Discord voice chat not working or Discord mic not working on PC. So here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to clear the Discord cache files. To do so, press Windows plus R to open Runbox. In Runbox type %app-data% and hit OK. Now here look for Discord folder, right click on it and select delete to delete it. So we have cleared the Discord cache files. Now you can launch Discord app, log into your account and check voice chat or mic not working problem is solved or not. The second solution is to reinstall Discord app from Microsoft Store. So first of all we have to uninstall the Discord app from our PC. To do so, open Windows settings, click on apps, then click on installed apps. Here search for Discord, click on three dots, then click on uninstall to uninstall it. Now install the Discord app from Microsoft Store app. To do so, open Microsoft Store app. Here search for Discord, click on the Discord app, then click on install to install it. Once the Discord app is installed, launch the Discord app, log into your account and then check voice chat or mic problem is solved or not. So by these two solutions you can fix Discord voice chat or mic not working problem on your PC. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.